What you're about to witness is a situation that happens every day in life when you, the consumer, wants to buy possibly a car to restore or a vehicle that is a classic trucker vehicle car that you want to possibly put your money into and invest in it that will make it better and have something to have that later down the line you can sell it and make a profit. You hope anyway the profit will be there, but most of the time it's not. You'll be lucky to get your money back out of the damn thing when you do sell it. But what we're talking about is connivery, is thievery, is slice and dice. It's something that is common in the automobile world. It's a chop, cut, dice, slice situation. We're going to hide it from you and tell you this is the best car in the world. Deal. We're going to sell this car to you for a lot of money, even though it's not worth that much money, because what we have done to it to make it this much is not going to be worth what you're going to pay me, because you're the sucker and I am the winner of the whole deal. It's called buying a used car. This is what you deal with. This is what you get. And this is how the operation works.
They're back on the Road Runner action. Now, they bought this Road Runner. It was a junk pile. It was in a million pieces. And they think they're going to sell it for thousands and thousands of dollars. And they're doing all this shit in my driveway, my freaking driveway right here. Let's talk to the nitpick pack and see what they're doing. What's going on out here, nitpick, Norm?
He said, pull it in between the building.
You're using my racks.
Your air.
You got my
your
air.
Electricity.
You're using my air blowers, my tape, my electricity. You got sandpaper you took out of my sandpaper pile. What's up, dude?
Not much. What's going on?
What are you doing? You're building the whole car here.
Yep.
Hey, Norm, come here. Hurry.
Hey, I'm in the truck.
Come here. Come here, dude. I don't see any primer on this fender. It's gonna rust.
Did I miss something?
Yeah, you missed big time. Look at that.
Yep.
I can't believe that. You're trying to get $18,000 for this thing?
20.
You better learn how to prime a car up before you do that. What's going on with the rust over here, Gary? You're gonna, you got rust. Look at this, dude. What the hell mess is this? Okay, you didn't do that right. You didn't do that right. You're going to have to put some steel wool in there to cover up that rust. All right, kind of like, stuff this hole with some steel wool first, then put the stuff in there. All right, you got a lot of rust repair to do to get $20,000 here, bud.
I just have to hide the fact that it's rust repair. I just have to hide the fact that it's rust repair.
What's going on with this car? Tell me some history.
It's a piece of junk. It's a piece of junk. a piece of junk, and that's about it.
It's a piece of junk. You got a motor and tranny that goes with it.
Not one that works.
But you got one you're going to throw in there.
Technically.
Yeah, where's the fender tag? Ain't you guys like big fender tag boys?
Yeah, that's at the house.
You do got the fender tag.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's under lock and key in a safe.
Yep.
And a clean title.
So what we got here is a 68 Road Runner, am I right? You did get some epoxy in there, Norm. Look at that floor. Right there in the fender well, it's rusting already. You didn't get any epoxy primer in here. Well, you better get her done. Don't forget to take the brushable seam sealer we got that my friend Pete hooked you up with to seam seal up the pinch weld. You got to get that done, make it look professional. So what would you guys call this? Would you call this like a quickie fix action? Get her down the road, shim it up, and sell it type deal or what?
No, I'd say this is a good project for a home guy, because now all the hard work is done.
All the hard work is done. All he's got to do is body work and paint.
Paint and put it back together.
So you're serious, or are you trying to be
No,
Mr.
no,
Car
I'm
Sales?
serious.
Are you going to paint this thing?
No, this is the one.
This is bare metal.
This is not going in this car.
Oh, what's this going to?
This is the original one. The guy changed it for
Okay.
because he wanted the 26-inch radiator.
I just have to hide the fact that it's
Yeah.
rust repair. I just have to hide the fact that it's
Yeah.
rust repair. It's a piece of junk. It's a piece of junk, and that's about it.
It's a piece of junk. You got a motor and tranny that goes with it.
Not one that works.
But you got one you're going to throw in there.
Technically.
Dude, that doesn't even have any sealer on it, Norm.
I'll hit it, man.
You need to get 2 coats on this thing. You are not a painter, bud.
No, the problem is that Garrett stuck it on this stand way up here, and I couldn't see it.
Oh my gosh.
No, come here and look at this. The sealer missing all over this one.
What kind of sealer are we talking about?
It's a 2-part epoxy.
Just a 2-part epoxy sealer. Just enough to clean it up and put it in Craigslist and sell it.
Yep.
Now, do you think you'll sell it on Craigslist or Facebook, bud?
Probably Facebook.
Facebook. Is that right, Norm?
I don't know. All these guys from Facebook always, I want it, and then they never have any money.
Yeah. That's the Facebook crowd for you.
Facebook crowd,
Yeah, it's better than the Indian crowd on
Craigslist, yeah.
Yeah, that's true. So we got this Road Runner for sale. I'm thinking they're going to get about $2,500 for it, less money than what they got in it. You know, don't be deceived by brand new primers. All my friend Pete could say. But it will be a seller that it will be a fixer-upper job. And if you're interested in it, don't call me, call them. I don't care. What kind of hammer is this, dude?
That is a custom hammer.
Is that like, you know, something you made, designed?
Yes.
That looks like a Thor hammer.
Yep.
Thor!
Yep.
Thor the man. Huh. Wow. Are you using that to pop some of these dents out, I guess, or
Yeah, a little bit of that. Just anything that needs hitting.
anything that needs to be hit?
Yep.
Yeah. Hey, Norm, can you tell me what kind of spray action this is called?
That was a mess. Tiger spray.
Yeah. How's the Harbor Freight action working, dude?
I don't like it at all.
It looks like it's working pretty good. You're spraying it.
Look at the size of the fan.
I see
It's
that.
only that wide.
Open it up.
If you open it up, it just, no.
Open it up. Let's see. Show us. Now you're closing. There you go. Open it up. Okay. Let's see what it looks. It looks pretty white to me.
No. Shit. It's garbage.
Okay. Do me a favor, Norm.
Let me spray some more while
Do
you're
me a
here.
favor. Go to the PPG class out in Ohio and learn how to paint, dude.
All right, I'll do that,
Okay.
Pete.
All right, buddy. What about the bottom of the car, dude? I guess you had that blasted too.
No, it was already done. We got it.
Well, you better get some primer under that.
It's been like that for 4 years.
Well, then sell it like it is. Are you gonna let my friend Pete know that how much you got for this, or are you gonna lie to me?
Well, what do you? Well, if we.
I'm saying $2,500 is a good
I'm
price.
going to sell it for what
I'm thinking $2,500 in this condition is a really good price to start on. And you know, if you got to go down and take a couple hundred off, that might be a good angle too, bud. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking you're nuts.
Ha! Okay. Well, you know what? You Mopar freaks can keep your action all you want. My friend Pete says no on it. It's not going to sell. You'll be lucky to make your money back on how much you got invested in it. And good luck. Okay? I gotta go. I gotta go, guy. Just another ball-faced scam a sham, a situation that says Mopars are not the best car in the world. You saw the rust, you saw the rot, you saw what they had to do to it, and you see what they are doing to it just to get it out of their hair. Talk about a pile of shit. You know, these Mopar guys think that everything they got is worth gold. They think that if you own a Mopar, you're somebody. If you own a Volkswagen, you ain't shit. Well, let me tell you something. We got plenty of Mercedes-Benz back here that says somebody, somebody, and I don't see one Mopar in the stack. What a joke. What a joke. Look, this is how the Mopar guys fix their tires. Right there. They get a 2-gallon jug of slime and fill their tires up with it and then air them up. Good going, Mr. Mopar. Good going, buddy. Good going.
Shitty, 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 shitty,